Welcome to NexTechie XForce. The brief. Mapping the weekly pulse of global military innovation. Let's get rolling.
This is The Brief on military technology's next evolution. New defense partnerships are really changing the game. The focus is shifting from traditional, expensive hardware towards systems that are way more secure, autonomous, and resilient. So let's break down the three key takeaways. First, quantum integration is actually happening. The biggest strategic move is putting this tech directly into long-endurance drones, like with the partnership between IonQ and Heaven Aerotech. This solves two huge problems. One, quantum sensors give you incredibly accurate, unjammable navigation, or PNT, that works even without GPS. Two, quantum networking creates command and control links that are, thanks to physics, impossible to eavesdrop on. Second, we're seeing the dawn of mass, AI-enabled autonomy. The focus is shifting to huge numbers of cheap, expendable drones. The Air Force, for instance, is turning MQ-9 Reapers into drone motherships controlling smaller craft. And the scale is massive. The U.S. Army's Sky Foundry program plans for up to 1 million drones in the next few years, with AI software automating target identification. And finally, none of this tech works without a secure supply chain. We're talking about rare earth elements, which are critical for all these new drones and munitions. To diversify, the U.S. Defense Department has a joint venture with Saudi Arabia's Ma'aden and U.S.-based MP Materials. The goal is to build a major rare earth refinery outside of current centralized sources. So yeah, the future of defense is being built on autonomous coordination, quantum secure networks, and resilient supply lines.
This was NexTechie XForce, The Brief. Just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.